So this is how to use the multiple borrow function. First, go to the landing page, and let's see what happens when you just do the borrow book standard. Okay, so for borrow book standard, you have to scan the card and then scan the book. And then if you want to borrow another book, again, you have to scan the card and then scan the book again. So as you can see, this can get a little bit tedious. So instead, what we decided to do is have a multiple borrowing function. So to go to the multiple, either you can go back to the landing page and select it, or just click on the L2. Now here we are, borrow books multiple. This way you can borrow a lot of books at one time. We can see how very quickly we can borrow books. Okay, so I scan the card once and then so we were able to scan these books very, very quickly. Then when the next student comes and you scan their library code in, then that student code will change, and then they can borrow the books. One word of caution when using this: most ISBN numbers will start with 978 or 979. Occasionally we have some books in our library, for whatever reason the code on the back, maybe it's an old ISBN number, but if it doesn't start with 978 or 979, the system will have a little bit of a glitch. Now, of course, on the inside of the book, here you have the 978 number. Let me show you what happens when I try to scan this book and what you can do to get around that problem. Now let's see what happens when we scan the book that I just showed you that did not have the 978 ISBN number on the back and had a different type of code. So let's see what happens. Oh, now see, that code will go in as the student code. Now what would happen, I mean, nothing bad would happen from this. Like, let's say if we said, oh, okay, now we're going to scan in the actual ISBN number, which is on the inside cover, then you get an error message. No problem, just reset, scan the student's library card, and then scan the actual ISBN number on the inside flap of the book, and there you go. I hope you enjoy using this function. Thank you.